Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. This long overdue part 3, I'm pretty sure. It could be part 4, but I'm pretty sure it's part 3 of rebuilding the HR and HD disc caliper. So I'm going to show you the rubbers and the pistons and stuff like that, where they've got to go, so forth. And now, off camera, because I wasn't recording, just painted the bolts, so just gotta wait for that to dry. So yeah, so I'll roll this intro and show you in the intro a bunch of the different stuff that I make for the HRs and HDs. So if you're interested and you're looking for an order, to place an order, just let me know, or look us up on Facebook and we can get there and do the order through there. Alright, see you after the intro. Okay, now the last time I think I showed you the calipers all painted. It's been so long because work gets in the road, gym life too, but anyway, so as you can see down in where are we, here's this knife. So if you look carefully, there is a rubber seal right there that my knife's pointing at, so that goes into a groove there, and that, so you can see it down in that one. So yeah, so there's that. Then you also have the rubber boot, which sits into that groove there, so I'll put that in, and I'll show you guys in a tick. So back shortly. Okay, so now if you look very carefully in under there, that's going not, you'll see that this little groove sits into this little lip here. So if you get yourself a little bit of rubber grease and that sort of stuff and lube it up on the inside, then you'll be able to get there and put it through. So anyway, I'll go through, and also because it's two-part, don't forget there is a little rubber O-ring, and that sits in on there like so, and then it squishes together as you're bolting it together. I'm just going to put you on the tripod and I'll get the piston out, and we will get one of those in. Okay, as you can see also, there is a lip right there. So get yourself a little bit of the rubber grease on that, and just, well, I've done this with mates the other week, a few weeks back now. Just a bit of grease on there, on that to basically help it slide in. Yeah, I'll just do it. And if you get yourself a pick, just be careful, but you can get the pick in and just run it around the boot. Hoping you're getting all that on camera, like so, and then you can seat it. And there's your piston in. I'll just get it down to there, and now it's in. So yeah, so that's one side with the caliper done. Get that out the road. Get that out the road. And the same thing goes with the second half, don't lose that. So second half, just get a bit of rubber grease, smooth it in onto the seal. You've got that rubber there as well. Just bring it all the way around. A little bit on the rubber. And then once again, it's a matter of, it's hard to show you on how to get this one seated, but then you've got to just go around and make sure it sits into that inner groove, that inner lip. So it's not halfway there. Get that little bit there in. And just go around and just push it to make sure it's sitting in that groove. Yeah, so now it's in, and then it's rubbish. That one's rubbish. Cup. So once again, just another one, like I've done before. Bit of rubber grease, it's not going to hurt. And then just run it around the whole thing. Without any hair or crap in it. So then once again, Smooth it all the way around. Now others will probably get there and go say to me, shouldn't have done it like that, could do it like this, but this is what I found easier to do the other day. And that, and then we just get that rubber boot a little around the side. Once again, grab your pick. Hair from when I had long hair. Now I've got short hair. And then you just run your pick very gently. Around the boot. Seat it over the piston. And then slide it in. Done. And just get yourself a rag. Clean any mess up. You don't need to use a cleaner one. And there's your piston in. So I'll leave that like that. Clean my hands off. Okay, so that's that for now. I will. Yep. This thing doesn't sit straight. There we go. That's still crooked. Anyway, that's it. Putting the pistons and the rubbers and that into the caliper. The next one will probably be cleaning up one of the discs in the backing plate and getting them ready for paint. So yeah, if you need to know how the brake pads stay in, let me know. I will video that before bolting everything together. Yeah, so anyway, until next time, stay safe, keep your upside down. Please like and subscribe and share. We've only got 51 more subscribers to go before we hit 1,000, so please keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting, yeah, till next time, stay safe and keep your upside down. Cheerio for now. So just thought I'd show you the caliper put together at the end of the video. So yeah, so I'll flip you around and give you a quick look. Yeah, a little bit of overspray on the rubber, but that's okay, it's still soft. I'll give it a clean, but the caliper's all back together, and that new pistons are in. So all I've got to do now is find the new brake pads, and then we'll put the pins in, and I've got to find the little split pin to go in to hold it there in place. So yeah, so that's the one done, and that part 3 video will be giving the hub a clean and then a paint, and then the same with the disc. We'll clean all this up here and that, and we'll paint it. Might mask it up and paint the inside black here as well. And then we'll go around and we'll give the disc a bit of a home job machining with some sandpaper and stuff to clean it up. So yeah, and then I'll have to take these off and find the new hoses, double check, make sure they're the right hoses, and then attach all that to here. So once that's done and that's done, then we'll start putting it together. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. We've got 45 or 46 more subscribers to go before we hit 1,000, so please help a guy out and get me up to that 1,000, and be much appreciated. So yeah, until next time, stay safe and keep your upside down. Cheerio for now.